Introducing the 2023 Volkswagen Caddy 2.0TDI 102B horsepower business, plus with refrigeration unit, VAT receipt. This impressive vehicle, with just 5,848 kilometers on the clock, is a true powerhouse on the road. With a sleek grey exterior and a powerful 2-litre engine, this van means business. Loaded with comfort and accessories, features like Armrest, Bluetooth phone, and MediaMP3 Player, you'll enjoy every moment behind the wheel. Safety features like ABS, multiple airbags, and anti-collision system provide peace of mind on the road. This Volkswagen Caddy also comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, service to manufacturer specification, and a comprehensive warranty for added assurance. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie today for more information on how you can make this impressive van yours.